Hello everyone. Today in this video I will share with you top 5 makeup bag. Number 5 DIMJ Makeup Bag and Jewelry Bag for Women 2-in-1 Travel Makeup Bag Organizer. With compartments, portable waterproof makeup case for cosmetics, brushes, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, toiletry. Black. Number 4 DIMJ Packing Cubes 8 Set in Makeup Bag 2-in-1 Travel Essential for Shoes, Cosmetic, Clothing, Pants. Number 3 DIMJ Makeup Bag and Jewelry Bag for Women and Packing Cubes for Travel Essentials for Women. Number 2 Makeup Bag and Jewelry Bag for Women. DIMJ Double Layer Makeup Organizer Portable Large Capacity Cosmetic Bag with compartments for cosmetics. Number 1 2-pack bra drawer organizers and makeup bag and jewelry bag. Thanks for watching. If you need more information for these products, if you want to purchase, check out the description. If you like the video, like, comment and share.